If you've ever wished you could instantly shift your audience's attention off your slides and back onto you, this trick is going to change the way you present. Today, you're going to learn a simple, often overlooked PowerPoint feature that lets you turn your screen completely black in the middle of a presentation. Perfect for teaching, meetings, or anytime you want full control of the room. Let's get right into it. Start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. If your presentation is already prepared, select it from your recent files or open it from your folders. Once your slides are loaded, it's time to enter presentation mode. You can do this by clicking the small projector screen icon in the bottom right corner of PowerPoint, or by going to the slideshow tab and choosing either from beginning or from current slide, depending on where you want to start. Now you're officially in full screen presentation mode, and this is where the magic happens. Imagine you're explaining an important concept and want everyone focused on you instead of the slide. All you need to do is press the letter B on your keyboard. B stands for blackout. The moment you tap it, your entire screen fades to black, clean, simple, and distraction-free. It works instantly, and it's perfect for emphasizing a point, resetting the room's attention, or guiding a discussion. When you're ready to continue, just press B again. The slide you are on reappears exactly where you left off. No interruptions, no navigating, no awkward pauses. This shortcut works in all modern versions of PowerPoint, but if you're running a very old one, it's always smart to test it before going live. And that's all it takes. A single key that gives you professional level control over your presentation flow. Try it out. You might be surprised how much smoother your sessions feel once you use it. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to stick around for more easy, practical tips to improve your presentations.